Hi there, Jason Moser, analyst with Motley Fool One. Thanks for joining us for another edition of Ask a Fool. Today we're taking a question from Steve, who asks, after the merger I went from 500 shares of AAMRQ to 33 shares of AAL, or American Airlines. Will I recover any additional shares over the coming months? And he's talking about the merger with US Air. And so I want to go ahead and just go into this really quick. The bottom line here, Steve, it's possible that you will receive additional shares or fractions of shares after the obligatory 120-day period. If we look at the notice of effective date, it says, and I quote, "The effective date of the plan as defined in the plan occurred on December 9th, 2013, and as a result, the plan has been substantially consummated." So that's essentially just another way of saying the deal is done. But, you know, if we look at the effective date of the plan, AAMRQ holders may receive additional distributions based on American Airlines common stock trading price during the 120-day period after the effective date, along with the total amount of allowed claims. So with the effective date of December 9th, you're looking at about 4 months from there, or around April 9th, which will be the expiration of that effective date. And this will be based on, in part, it'll be based on American Airlines' stock price at that time. Now, it's more than likely you won't be much if you do recover any additional funds, but it's certainly possible, so I would hang in there and see. Hopefully, though, this is something you can look back on as an investing lesson. You know, sometimes they cost us a little bit in the short run, but they can be invaluable in the long run. And basically, investing in special situations and bankruptcies is just plain tough to do. It's not impossible, of course, but you need to approach these types of investments with the utmost skepticism, in my opinion. If you think about the risk-reward ratio and whether it's something you're comfortable with, and further, go ahead and accept the fact that there are going to be plenty of people out there who know more about this situation than you do. And the bottom line is that the deck is not usually stacked in the individual investor's favor. I've always believed that investing is as easy or as difficult as you want to make it. There are plenty of great companies out there that can earn attractive returns for years on end. So, you know, after all this is said and done, see the glass as half full here. I think you've learned a great lesson, and that should serve you well as an investor. It's just sometimes we have to live it to actually learn it. But I doubt you'll forget it after this one. So great question. Thank you for asking, and for more information, make sure to check out Fool.com.